Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that McCulloch Super Pro 125C chainsaw, very popular in the late 70s. Muscle saw from the United States, American made. 125 cc's, and a C on the end of that 125 means chrome. That's a chrome plated cylinder. Take a look at some of the features this saw has. It's got a 36-inch Oregon bar, sprocket nose, 404.063 gauge, with some 52 CJ chain, skip tooth chain, very popular for that era. Kill switch is right here in the middle, and it works. Has a manual oil button right here. Also has an automatic oiler, but you can use the manual pump if you get in some pitchy or some real heavy cutting. Just pump that a few times, gives you a little extra squirt of oil. Chokes on the right. It's got a throttle lock on the side right here. Push your trigger in and trip that lever, and that gives you a quarter throttle. Decompression valve right here, which you do need on starting this big saw. Push it in, it pops out automatically. Got the large falling spike. Those were custom built for the 125s. Automatic oiler's right here. Right there. That's a pump. Works off the vacuum of the crankcase. Wrap handlebars. Clutch cover's in good shape. It's all original. Just needs some cleaning. Adjust the tension on this saw. Loosen up the two nuts right here. Right in the front, right there, is where you tension that. Also has the old original chip flap. You can see it right here. That's a flap to help keep the chips from hitting the operator. Original muffler cover, still in good shape. That's one of the first things that gets broken on these saws. And the muffler's in very good shape too. Just a good strong running motor, very vintage, American made muscle saw.